Hello, Blue Garden. This is Jay here. Now, I've been trying to discuss a topic here about peat moth and wood chips with a basically he's an internet troll. He's been over there trying to tell me that the way I've been doing things is all wrong, and even though I have explained to him that what I have been doing has been documented, and the research and the teams that I associate with, and those would be, the university agricultural department. All you have to do is email them, ask them questions, and they'll give you answers. They're very friendly. And I've been using the one in Michigan and Oregon and Arizona. So, and all of these are professors with PhDs. And I gave him all this information backed up with video, and he still did not believe it. He said his way was the only way, which is 50% peat moss and 50% wood chips. He's just an internet troll. His name is David Cole. So, and I won't call him out. His last name is Koba. This guy was, totally. And I asked him to give me evidence, proof of his way was right and mine was wrong. And you know what he did? He just picked some video link and sent it to me. That was his proof that his way was correct. And then when my way is, I actually have it on video showing how I set up my soil. I have blueberries growing in that process. And what more is there to prove? All right. So basically, I did some more research here and here. Can blueberries survive on 50% peat moss and 50% wood chips only? All right, that's the question. And basically, using a planting mix composed of solely 50% peat moss and 50% wood chips would not be ideal for growing blueberries. While both peat moss and wood chips have their benefits, they lack some essential component necessary for healthy blueberry growth. And some of those essentials are nutrients. It has to be balanced. I talk about that all the time in my videos. pH. Blueberries require a range of 4.5 and 5.5. I talk about that in my video. I use a blue lead pen, soil pen, which is an accurate, scientific, very expensive calibration to checking pH. Drainage. I use perlite. I don't use wood chips for drainage because the wood chips, if they're not decomposed fully, they would take the nitrogen from the soil. And then organic matter, I get a ton of compost, and you see it in my videos. So this guy was just an internet troll looking for somebody who he could take advantage of, which he couldn't, because I gave him facts, proof, and video. And when I asked that in return, the way he was doing it, he could not provide anything. So look at that. So have you ever seen this David Cole, telling he's just an internet troll. His last name is spelled Koba. All right, I appreciate you guys listening to me. I'm out here to give you the truth and back it up with video and my blue garden. What I tell you is what I do, and what I do is on video, and the living proof is right there in all my videos. My blueberries, my grapes, dragon fruits, all the fruits I do, avocados. So there's not more I could say. Alright, thank you for listening. Hello, Blue Garden subscriber. Well, it comes to my attention that you're not being notified when I put out new videos. That's why nobody's watching. So with my friend here, Mike Murphy, we will understand how to set our notification on our phone and tablet.
So every time that channel publishes a new video, you will be notified. First, I'll show you how to do it on a desktop, and then I'll do it on a mobile device such as an iPhone or an iPad. Okay, so here I am in Chrome on my MacBook Pro.
Just go to @thebluegarden2060.
So to subscribe to a channel on YouTube, just click on the big red button in the upper right that says subscribe. So once you subscribe to a channel on YouTube, you'll get this little bell right here. Click on the bell, choose to send me all notifications for this channel, and that way every time the channel publishes a new video, you will be notified, so you don't have to keep checking. It's pretty convenient. Now let me show you how to do it on an iOS device. Okay, so here I am on my favorite YouTube channel on my iPhone. To subscribe to any channel, just click on the subscribe button next to the profile pic. Now you'll get the little bell up here. Click on the bell. You'll have some options. If you click on this bottom right options, now you can tell it how often you want to be notified. All, every time the new video is published, you will be notified. If you click occasional, that'll be based on YouTube's algorithms. Then none, and you can always change your notifications. And here I am on an iPad. It works exactly the same way, but it doesn't matter if you're on the front page of a YouTube channel or if you're on an individual video. If you see the subscribe button, the red on the right, just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell will appear immediately after. Click on the notification bell, and then you can look on the bottom, the same thing. If you click options, you have the option to choose it all, occasional, or none, and you can always change this at a later time. That is your quick tip, how to subscribe to a YouTube channel and receive notifications. Cheers.
Okay, thank you very much, Mike Murphy, for that explanation. I hope my subscribers will follow the instructions and get all my videos. Thank you so much.